What is up, drummers? So today's video is gonna be a little bit different because today I'm gonna talk about my snare that I have custom designed, and this is not the first time I'm doing this. I am doing this probably the second or third time, but the second time I did not show it to you guys, and this is the second time. So if you do wanna see how I made it, stay till the very end. One more thing guys, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any request for particular type of videos or any particular cover, you can tell me that in the comment section and let me know. PDP and Evans, if you're watching this, I would love to hear it back from you guys. The only reason I did that because when I bought this drums PDP, it came with some numbers written at the side of the lugs, and that is for a particular technique that DW suggests for new drummers, and those numbers makes it easier for new drummers to tune the drums. I personally did not like it, so I tried to do something artistic around those numbers and make them disappear. Okay guys, so let's start with the outline, and I actually myself really don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's see what I come up with. And I think I'm gonna go with something like the previous design with dragon coming out from here and there, and let's see if it works. Okay guys, so we are finally done with the rough outline. As you can see, I have again chosen a dragon for it. I don't know really if I am obsessed with dragons or something like that, but I find dragons pretty cool. So let's start adding in more details and the shading. almost done, and I'm just left with the head of the dragon, which is, I guess, the main part, you can say. But the shading work and the details are all itself very supportive for the design, so you need to do details in every part of the design, like every part of the drums. So let's finally complete it. And it has been about 45 minutes since I'm doing this, so finally let's see if I can get it done within 1 hour. Okay guys, so finally we are done with it, and it took me approx 45 to 50 minutes to complete this. I think I have done it just a little bit better than last time, because this is the second time I'm doing this. So if you guys want to do something crazy like this and come up with something better than this even, do not forget to upload it on Instagram and Facebook and tag me guys. I would love to see your work. My Instagram and Facebook handle will be there in the description box, and you can find them here as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't, just give me a thumbs down. No, that would hurt. So catch you guys in the next one. Until then, be safe and keep drumming.